How do you feel?
Good. The course is very special because of a number of reasons. The first one being the very small staff-student ratio. That means we have quite small classes here. The course is also taught by a range of academics as well as former industry professionals, so making sure that students get the theoretical and practical guidance when it comes to learning on the course.
When I was looking through universities when applying, the modules were quite diverse and you had a wide choice.
The course is accredited with the Chartered Institute of Public Relations, and we are proud because we are one of the first to secure those accreditations. That means that students get another professional recognition when they graduate by industry bodies.
In terms of the facilities that we've got here at St Mary's, we've got a fully working TV studio. So much of marketing, advertising, communications within industry is creating video content and really engaging video content.
My favorite moment here at St Mary's was probably last year. Me and my group submitted our short film and it actually got published on YouTube on the St Mary's account, so that made us very proud.
What job am I going to get at the end of this? If I'm going to be spending X amount of money on tuition fees, what job am I going to get? We will give them skills and provide them real-time experiences through the modules that we teach them to make sure that when they go into that workplace, people aren't going to have to hold their hand. They can just go straight into it and be an important part of that workforce. Thank you very much.